Well guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about Flux.2, which just came out. And so this new Flux.2 model is very advanced. So from the official website, it claims to be multi-reference support, image detail and photorealism, text rendering, and enhanced prompt following, word knowledge. So significantly more grounded in real-world knowledge. So basically, it's gonna generating the more realism photos. So if you want to try it out, so they have this 4 version available. So Pro, Flex, Dev, and Claim. If you want to really just try it out very quickly, so you can go to huggingface.co, black forest left have spaces. You can try it out flux2.dev. So you just need to pick a sample, which they'll have one sample. You can try it out. So it's very convenient. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to run Flux.2 for free, 100% on Kaggle and with ComfyUI. So that being said, let's get into it. So if you open a Kaggle notebook and just follow the tutorials in this channel to set up the ComfyUI. So it's very convenient. A few steps, you should be able to spin up a ComfyUI instance with GPU. We can see there's a GPU and CPU. You can spin up this instance for free. So you can have a ComfyUI instance like this. So it is running on Gradio terminal. So we also have a tutorial to show you how to run Gradio terminal on Kaggle as well. Feel free to check that out and also leave a comment if you have any questions. So after you set everything up, you just go to the templates on the left navigation. You can pick the Flux2.dev. So they already have this template to directly plug in. You can just choose Flux.2 or you can choose the Flux.2 dev FP8 product mockup. So either way should work. As you can see here, we already run this workflow. So we just need to add an image, which is the image from the Hugging Face. Then there's a few models we have to pick. So for example, the default ones will not work with the Kaggle's hardware. So because it's kind of limited, you have to change a little bit of the models. So first one, you have to use the Flux2 FP8 model. So this is the default one, but this doesn't work. So you have to choose the GGUF version. You have to also install the GGUF plugin, which is the custom node. So then you can actually add this node in here. So, and then after that, make sure to pick the Flux2 dev-Q4. So Q3 will have some problems, choose the Q4. You can download it from the CD96 Flux2.dev. So they have a lot of GGUF. Pick the one you prefer, but in this case, we'll choose Q4 _O. This is good for Kaggle. Then you also have to update the other 2 models. So the other 2 models are text encoder model and also the VAE model. So you can get it from the Flux2.dev ComfyUI org official repo. So just go to the text encoders and choose the FP8 version. So there's a little bit. So you can see that there's FP8 and FP16. It's BF16, just choose the FP8 version. And for the VAE, you can just choose the default one. They only have one VAE. So download it to the respective folder of the ComfyUI, and then it should be ready to go. So this works on Kaggle, and you can see here, we choose the default GGUF model as Flux2 dev Q40, and the clip, which is the text encoder, which is the Mission 3 small Flux2 FP8. And then make sure to choose type as Flux2. The device is default. If you choose other text encoder, it might not work. So just choose the default one. And the third thing you have to basically choose is the VAE. So it's in here. So basically you have to load the VAE. So Flux2-VAE, just choose that one. And that's it. And then for this specific workflow, you need to get an image. So we choose the image from the Hugging Face. So you can see basically we just download the image and upload it to the ComfyUI workflow. So the prompt is this woman is wearing a small pale yellow knitted beanie with a white fabric patch on the front right. So, and also with a big gray text Flux.2 Comfy. So you can see this exactly followed the prompt. So you can see the outcome image. It's very nice. And also it's very high quality. So this model seems to be very good. So last but not least, if you look at the report, there's a very interesting comparison between the different models. So Flux.2, Flux, and also the C-Trim, Nano Banana, Cuban image. As you can see here, because of the demo, so everything for Flux.2 is free. So this is totally perfect. And by the cost wise, you can see that Nano Banana is actually more expensive than Flux.2. And also you can see the ELO score. So basically the higher is better. So then you can see that the Flux.2 is very good. But the Nano Banana 2 is a little bit better in the quality. The price is significantly higher. So overall, I think for economic and also the performance wise, Flux.2 seems to be the best choice. So as you can see here, you can do it for free. So just follow the models in this video. You should be able to get it. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.